So guys, good morning everyone. Today is 15th of August and today we are going from the Salzburg to the Innsbruck. Now we are here outside of the street, still packing our luggage, and Walter is here. Yeah, Walter is here hiding from us. He also will go to vacation, so thank you so much, Walter. Thank you so much. Goodbye and have a good trip. And now we also will have our own trip. Okay, we packed our bicycles and just ready to go, so wish us a good trip and let's go.
So people, we did our way from the town and now it's much better because I just said much better because we did out of the town and now the road ended and started gravel. But anyway, we have not raced road bicycles, so for us it's okay, we can ride here easily, also sometimes in the forest. And here, yeah, here the nature is so gorgeous, picturesque. So, the first thing, today is quite cold. Second thing, quite windy, really hard to ride, but we will have an awesome muscle soreness. And the third thing, we did 135 kilometers and now on our way, very steep uphill, because we are going to visit the Albach, am I right? The name is somewhere here. Albach, one of the beautiful towns in the Austria. And oh my god, just take a look at this uphill on the map. I'm scared. Joke, I'm not. Just scared of blood, but I will do it 100%. very, very steep. So, okay, this is a plain beginning of the uphill, just slow little bit, but after it will be insane. Because I feel it. I feel it, I see on the map, it will be insane, but we will not give up. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Okay, so the uphill period not so steep, but quite long, and yeah, I expected something much more steeper, and we're doing it really easy, so it's not something hard. Vlad also doing it really easy. We did 70% of the whole uphill. Maybe just in the end it will be a little bit steeper. I don't know, we'll see. So we are here, yeah, finally. The town is really old and beautiful. Just take a look.
Okay guys, we are at the Alpbach on the top of the village here. And now I would like to do something crazy. I would like to try this uphill here, and Vlad will record me from here. I don't know, but I will try just for fun. Maybe I will be possible to climb there just for fun. Okay, let's do this. Okay guys, wish me luck. Ah!
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
So guys, happy to say that we are only 10 kilometers to Innsbruck. Hey, today we did it a little bit faster than before in the previous city. But we worry a little bit about the rain because we see in front of us a cloud, and also far away we see it's raining. So please, rain, stop for us, please. Okay, we'll see.
So guys, we are in Innsbruck. Today we managed to do our trip a little bit faster than we promised to our host. Her name is Kate, and when we say to her that, oh, we are at your place, she said, oh, sorry, I'm still out of flat. So we decided to take a seat at the bus station for a few minutes, just to relax, to wait for her. And now we feel ourselves like a couch potato, you know, when you're doing a long ride, and if you will stop immediately, you will just sit somewhere, and after this you will be totally done, so you will be not able to continue ride. And now we're sitting at the bus station just waiting for her, because it's okay, we're chilling, but we are not able to ride anymore somewhere to downtown or just anywhere. Today we just want to have a good sleep. Hi guys, hello everybody. So we are really happy because we are staying in such a cozy place. Here's a Kate. Today she is our host. Yeah, all right. Yeah, host. She's amazing. Also crazy like we. She also likes hiking, a lot of adventures, and yeah. Right now at the moment that's all because we're so tired, and a lot of things we will record tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So now just guys subscribe. Also you will have all of the links below the video, so subscribe and have a nice day. Bye everybody.